All right, the purpose of this video is to show you how landed costs work when A, you have already shipped the product and you want to apply the landed cost, and B, when you have some products on hand and you want to apply the landed cost to those. So let's take a look and see how this works. Okay, so first we are going to create a purchase order and we are going to buy 1 unit from vendor X, and we will charge, they will charge us $100 for this. And I will go ahead and save. I will confirm. I will receive. And I will pay my bill. Bill dates. Confirm. Okay, so I've gone through the whole flow there. Let's look at inventory, and we'll see here from a reporting standpoint, valuation, we have 1 unit on hand for $100, as expected. Now, let's go ahead and sell this product. So I turn around, create the order, we'll sell it to John Doe. I'm going to sell this product to John Doe for $225, and here you'll see our cost of 100. Right? We have not inputted a landed cost yet. But I'll go ahead, deliver this product, and create an invoice just to complete the flow, keep things fully involved. Okay. Now, let's look at the inventory valuation. 0. And of course, on hand, nothing. Let's look at a GL. General ledger is going to show us everything that just happened. Stock valuation was 100, received, delivered, all under debit. And then here, COGS, cost of goods sold, is currently $100. And you can see how we arrived there by opening that up. Okay, now let's input a landed cost. Oops, I actually want to go to inventory for that. Landed cost, we will apply it to warehouse in number 1. We'll call it duties, and it will be for $10. And we'll go ahead and compute. And here you will see we're going to apply a $10 landed cost to product X via warehouse in number 1 to create a new value of 110. And when I validate, it does not have implications in the inventory valuation because we have no products there. It's still 0. However, from an accounting perspective, when I go and I look at the GL, I will see we have a new line item under cost of goods sold, and it's landed cost number 1 for a product that's already out. You can see it's specified here for $10. So our total cost of goods sold is updated in accordance with the flow that in accordance with reality, essentially. So let's take a look at a second example where I purchase 2 units and then I ship 1, and I then want to apply a landed cost later for both of those units. So I'm going to buy, again, product X, 2 units at $100 each. I will receive these units into stock. And I can go ahead and go pay my vendor bill. Okay, and now I'll see here from an inventory perspective, we're going to have 2 units on hand for a total valuation of 200. Now, let's turn around and sell one of those units. For cost 100, we'll sell it for 225. And now I will ship it, validate, apply. That's been shipped. I can go ahead and create a quick invoice. I know I'm moving quickly, but I wanted to show you guys how it all works. Confirm, completed flow. Now my inventory valuation will be 100. And if I want to see what's happening from an accounting perspective, my GL updates accordingly. cost of goods sold, we're at $100 for product X. Now, let's create a landed cost for the 2 units that we brought in via warehouse in receipt number 2. Duties, and I'll say we're going to apply a cost of $20. And I'll compute, and it's an equal split method. And I'll see product X, 2 units, original value 200. We're going to update it to 220 by adding an additional $20 in landed cost. Upon validation, this updates. Now, from a reporting perspective, from valuation, you'll see it's up $10 because we split it. Here is the $10 for the 1 unit that we still have remaining in stock, bringing the total valuation of that unit up to 110. And from an accounting perspective, you'll see here on the GL that we also attributed the second $10 to the product that is already out, which is the one right above it from warehouse in receipt number 2 for product X that we shipped to John Doe, which again keeps your cost of goods sold up to date in real time so that you have, of course, accurate data there. So hopefully that gives you some insight. If you have any additional questions as to the behavior of landed costs and the different scenarios discussed, please let me know. I'll be happy to address further. Thank you so much for your time today.